Right fucking through me. What are you doing? What are you doing driving right through me? What are you driving right through me for?
How did I go right through?
I'm fucking on the corner and you fucking just use me as a bank?
As if I see you.
What's that?
Well, it looks like the fender's all bad.
It was a good race, but fucking stay off cars, buddy.
How about I start fucking going up?
No, don't fucking start showing up. You gotta show up, but just don't stay off the cars.
Screw you and the club.
It's a race. It's a race. You did a hell of
Just
a
drive
job.
me.
Whatever.
Oh, guys.
You did a good fucking job racing, but you gotta